we were trying to figure out what is, let me see, you've got, if one card has been removed from the collection, what is the number on the card? So we're going to remove one card and we're going to figure out what that card was. All right, so let me see, the cards are numbered 1 to 9. So let's look at the sum of this. 1 plus 9, that's 10. And that's going to be 20, 30, 45. So the sum is 45. But you got 4 sets of those. So 4 times 5 is 20, 20, 20, 16, it's going to be 180. Okay? Now look at clue 1. Units digit of sum of remaining 35 cards. I'm taking 1 out. And the units digit is a 6. So the only way you can do 180 and subtract off 4, the units digit is 6. That works. Clue 1 works. Clue 2, sum of remaining 35 is 176. We just found that right here. So the card you had to pull out was a 4. That works as well. So both work independently. Your answer is D.